Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues.
Hi guys, एक second. Hi guys, good morning. And a lot of you people were asking me whether I still wear the retainers or not. So yes, I still wear them. And I think by the intro you have understood that I got my periods, and this is a period routine slash vlog what I do during my periods. I hope you find something helpful out of it, and I have a lot of work today. So I have to meet Indrani, I have to finish a video, I have to do other 3-4 things. So yeah, I'll get to work and I'll take you through my period routine. So first of all, अभी तो मुझे थोड़ा सा काम करके पहले नहाना है, बाल धोने हैं, so that I can meet Indrani on time and I don't get late. So yeah.
I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, not speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros. I'm so for sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, so great, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same.
So I am having chai, bread, butter अंदर रखा हुआ है, and this banana. कुछ ज़्यादा fancy नहीं है, and कुछ ज़्यादा खाने का मेरा मन भी नहीं था, so having this. Guys, I want to talk to you about one supplement which I'm taking from quite some time, and
5, 6, 7, 8.
You know, no matter how much good food you eat, you still end up missing out on nutrition part of the food. So for that, we have not been introduced to the concept of supplements or health supplements. We are not even aware about them. So I have started taking these Zenith Nutrition's Chase Berry health nutritionist capsules. They regulate hormone imbalance in women, and they have this health formula which helps you in your PMS time. Okay, it is mentioned that it is no sugar, no preservation, no corn, no soy, no dairy, yeast free, gluten free, and something also, but yeah, this tag is here. Their MRP is of 980 rupees, but you can get them for a little cheaper during the sale time, so you can check out their website. And the Zenith Nutrition capsules are like in one box you can get 60 capsules. Now what they exactly do, whenever you are having your periods, you have this hormonal imbalance which makes you moody. It's the feeling of irritation, and you're having like the PMS signs. It helps you to regulate those PMS signs, and it also helps you to regulate your periods if you take this regularly in your diet. So like when I say it regulates your periods, I usually get my periods within, like, my period cycle is never of 28 days. I usually get my periods a little early, or like always a week or 10 days early, which has been the case since ever I'm getting periods. So but if you take these regularly in your diet, so this is the first time my cycle is of 28 days, and this is not a medication, guys. This is a health supplement. In India, I think not a lot of people talk about it, but in foreign it is a very known concept that people do eat whatever they want, like all the healthy food and everything, but they do take supplements for their body, and this is just like a supplement. This is a dietary supplement but not a medication. Keep that in mind. Yeah, these are the capsules which can help you. Like, this is like another period product, but again, it's like something which you need to make a lifestyle change. This is not something you will just pop a single capsule and you'll feel like हाँ अब सब ठीक हो जाएगा. ऐसा नहीं होगा. You have to make a genuine regular effort in your diet. You have to take these every day, one each day after any meal. And yeah, that's I wanted to talk about. And I know PMSing can be really hard physically, emotionally, and if you are somebody who is dealing with it, you can definitely give these tablets a try, and the link will be in the description box if you wanna check them out. And now I have to go get a shower and get ready and meet Indrani because it's already very late. I'm getting lazy. Like, you know, usually in periods you just want to stay in your bed, but you get one Sunday, so
why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder.
before I go and meet Indrani, I have to clean the dishes, so let's start cleaning the dishes first.
I don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true numb. Crying getting old, oh, I just wanna know now, true numb. Crying getting old, hope you freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun.
हाँ जाओ किसका मुझे वैसे वाइट वाले लहंगे पसंद आए थे इनके, बट ठीक है। चलो हम चलते हैं, इससे पहले कि वो हमसे डिलीट करा दें फुटेज कि नए हमारे डिजाइन किसी को पता नहीं चलने चाहिए। शिकासा कितना सुंदर लग रहा है ना। वहाँ जाएं क्या, कोई स्नैक्स लेके ना वहाँ भाग जाएंगे थोड़ी देर के लिए। चबाते बहुत सुंदर लगता है मुझे। हाँ है ना, कितना बढ़िया सीन है यार ये।
के किनारे बैठ जाते हैं।
इतना पेशेंस ना लड़कों में नहीं होता, मैं बता रही हूँ। उनको लेके आती ना मैं यहाँ पे, चलना नहीं मिल रहा छोड़ना। क्या भाई वेटिंग लाइन है? Caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I. Hi guys, So this is the second day, like this is my second day of periods. कल रात को मैं घर आई थी और then I just slept. I don't know. मैं इतनी थक गई थी, उसके बाद मेरा इतना सा भी मन नहीं था कि मैं कुछ रिकॉर्ड करूँ या शूट करूँ. And second day is very much painful than the first day for me. So आज तो मतलब this is like a wrap up sort of thing. So मैं इंद्रानी से almost 7-8 महीने बाद मिल रही थी. लाइक जब हमारा ऑफिस बंद हुआ था अप्रैल में, तब से लेकर अब तक हम लोग मिले ही नहीं थे. तो जब मैं उससे मिली कल, तो मैं भूल गई कि हम लोग वीडियो बना रहे थे और आई वॉज व्लॉगिंग और एनीथिंग. देयर वाज सो मच टू कैच अप ऑन कि यू नो आई फॉरगॉट दैट आई वाज व्लॉगिंग मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम. एंड थोड़ा बहुत फिर भी जो मुझे याद था, जब यू नो शी वाज शॉपिंग और I was free, so I took footage, but I legitimately forgot that I was making a vlog. So I don't know how this video will turn out, but yeah, I mean, I forgot to take shots. Also, I expected Street Style Store का जो offline outlet होगा वो थोड़ा बड़ा होगा. It'll be good. They will have some, you know, some sort of management there. But इतने छोटे से space में इतने सारे लोग थे. There was just one trial room, and there was also a warehouse house within the SSS store. Like उनका store भी है और उसी के साथ like you could see their warehouse जहाँ पे वो बाकी के boxes, sizes वगैरह रखते थे. So it became like a very hodgepodge thingy. So I won't suggest you guys to visit the store, like unless you really have something really urgent to buy for. I would suggest कि अपना order online ही place करना and cash on delivery पे करना, so that you know you get your parcel. And yeah, I mean, I don't know, it wasn't a good experience. I thought अगर मैं offline जाके shop करूँगी उनके outlet से, it will be really good, but it was really messy. And because of COVID they were allowing only like I don't know how many people in one go, but store इतना छोटा था कि चाहे आप जितने भी लोगों को अंदर अलाउ करोगे बहुत भीड़ हो जाएगी. And there was a queue also अंदर जाने के लिए. So I don't know. So उसके बाद मैं और इंद्रानी हम लोग जनपद गए. एंड देन हम लोग बस रैंडमली घूम रहे थे, बात कर रहे थे. एंड हमने सोचा था कि हम सरोजनी जाएंगे, बट रात हो चुकी थी, 7 बज चुके थे. एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो कि 7 बजे अगर हम सरोजनी जाते तो हम उसी दिन घर वापस आ पाते. मुझे लगा बहुत लेट हो जाएगा. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ सरोजनी वी वेंट टू जनपद, एंड बोथ ऑफ अस डिडंट गेट टू मच और लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. बट क्योंकि मुझे ना बहुत ही पहली बार ऐसा लगा कि एवरीथिंग वॉज रिपीटेटिव, लाइक एवरीथिंग आई हैव एट होम, और इट इज़ नॉट लाइक आई नीड टू बाय वाला कुछ भी दिखा हो मुझे जनपद में. लाइक या आई गेस आई एम गेटिंग ओल्ड. बट स्टिल व्हेन शी एंड आई वॉज लीविंग टूवर्ड्स द मेट्रो स्टेशन देयर वर फ्यू शॉप्स. तो वहाँ पे एक शॉप पे दिस टॉप वॉज देयर for rupees 250, and this is like a really pretty color. If you could see, ocean green color, and I really love such colors. Like usually I buy black and white, but this is a really nice color. And she got the same top in blue, so we both have same top in different colors. And next time हम जब मिलेंगे तो we'll be wearing the same. Also I got this really cute dainty heart-shaped neck piece, so that's that. ये खाली हाथ तो मैं वापस जाने नहीं वाली थी. You know, जनपद is an area where you go to shop bohemian jewelry, and I thought I'll buy something and look good, but मुझे कुछ भी पसंद नहीं आया, और most of the design मुझे लगा था मेरे पास घर पे हैं, so I don't need to buy. So yeah, that was the so that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short quick video, because last kuch time se I was uploading really long videos, and a lot of people got back to me saying ki please make some small videos. So I don't think so this video will be really long, I hope. And you enjoyed something, you liked something in this chotu sa vlog. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you like it, and if you like anything, be it anything in this vlog,
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and yeah, do try Zenith Nutritionist wale capsules for your regulating your hormones. Like, if you have seen the vlog, you know what I'm talking about. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Another video will be coming on Wednesday, which is a little different video, and I am excited for that one. Like, it's in editing, but I'm sure I will be able to make it live by Wednesday. So stay tuned for that one. And yeah, happy festive season, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just alone.